In this video I'm sharing a tip for mounting a Cisco 4500X or 9500 switch in a 2-post rack. These switches are heavy and they're pretty deep, so if all of the weight is only supported by the ears in the front, they can start to sag like what you see in the picture here. In a perfect world, you would always want to mount these in a 4-post rack where you have the rail kits to support the weight in the back. But I understand a lot of times you're going to have a job to do and not always a choice of how to do it, so you just have to do what you can with what you got.
Garbitch.
What's that spell?
Garbage!
And unfortunately the ears on at least the 4500X have these notches that match up with grooves on the side of the chassis. So you can't just simply turn them around and mount them that way, or they'll start to weeble wobble on you. I guess you could take a hammer and pound these notches down, but I like my way better. My preferred way to mount a deep switch like this in a 2-post rack is to just go around the back of the rack and screw something in for the switch to rest on. In this example, what I'm using is just a bog standard 1U wire manager, and these tend to work fine for this purpose. Then you can just lay the switch in place on top of the 1U wire manager and put the rack screws in. An added benefit to doing it this way is that if you often do this kind of thing alone and you don't have a second set of hands, the 1U wire manager helps to hold the switch while you put the screws in. Anyhow, that's pretty much all there is to it. Now when it's mounted, you should have business in the front and no parties in the back. Hit like if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.